Peixe, Salgado. Kind of a cool name. Something fish. Before we go up that street, let's just kind of give you a little context. So we have, this is kind of, there's some shipping, and this is Bara. This whole area is Bara. There's Amma Temple over that way. This is the school of the Maritime Museum. It's like ship training. But that's not our focus. Our focus is this street right here. Let's go check it all out. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua de Peixe Salgado. So we're gonna go up this street, and I think what we're gonna do before we even get started is we're gonna just kind of show you a little bit more context of everything before we go in. Maritime terminal, maritime, going to the ferry terminal. Okay, so that's our waterfront right there. Rua de Peixe Salgado. I think Salgado is like fresh or something like that, and it's Peixe is definitely fish. It's kind of a short little street, but I definitely want to film it anyways. Here's a Beco de Peixe Salgado. That's a little short one. And this alley looks pretty cool. Let's just go capture this real quick. Dang. Even a little market down here too. We'll capture that market in a second. So yeah, there's kind of like a bunch of little restaurants, all kinds of stuff. All that cool stuff everywhere. And that's kind of interesting. So I think in that one, it's a kitchen. It's a kitchen. There's a supermarket here. Okay. Huh. This goes into a whole other little patio over there. Kind of wonder if I can see that from here, or if we have to go inside and out. Yeah, that was yeah, I was looking into that. So that's part of the apartment. So you can see it from there. I could see into that. But anyways, this is a Rua de Peixe Salgado. That one right there. And we're kind of in this little area with Amma Temple's not too far away. What we're gonna do is just kind of go up a little bit. We can kind of go up. So that was our little street right there, so kind of small. Still kind of learning this camera a little bit. So this is going up now, Casada de Baro, and there's the Moorish temple. And I think with this camera, I think I can, I have kind of a big wide view, so I don't know which one works better for streets. I guess I'll have to play around with it more, kind of see what all I can do. So another courtyard here. But anyways, we're going up a different street, but I'm just gonna go up to the top here and just film it from up here and kind of look around. So that was our street down that way, and give a little bit of view of everything around it. So now you can see kind of where we're around. Pretty beautiful, actually. Restaurant up here. Oh, this is all Coca-Cola stuff. The Coca-Cola Museum or something. It's cool. Anyways, let's kind of go down a little bit more. Beautiful streetlights of Macau. Beautiful buildings. So we basically just went down that way. Alright. So that was the Rua de Peixe Salgado. Kind of interesting.